In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a view-only Google Sheet. This is a common situation many face and can be quite puzzling at first. But don't worry, I'm going to walk you through some simple steps to convert that frustration into ease, allowing you to edit your Google Sheet without hassle. Let's start with the scenario where you have been given view-only access. You'll want to open the Google Sheet in question. Right at the top, you'll find a button labeled Request Edit Access. Clicking on that button is your first step toward gaining editing privileges. A small dialog box will pop up, giving you the opportunity to add a note. This is a great chance to explain to the owner why you need edit access. Hit send, and your request will be on its way. Patience is key here, as the owner will need to review and approve your request. However, if waiting isn't an option and you need immediate access, another approach is to create your own copy of the Google Sheet. Go up to the menu at the top of the screen and click on File. From the drop-down menu, select Make a Copy. This will generate an editable version of the sheet in your own drive, a version you can rename and adjust to suit your needs. Remember, this copy won't update with any changes the owner might make later on, so it's a snapshot of how things are right now, and you can work independently from that point forward. Now, suppose neither of these options suits your needs. In that case, you might need to reach out directly to the owner of the sheet. A direct line of communication might expedite things, especially if you're working against a deadline. You could send an email or message describing your requirement while maintaining a considerate and polite tone, and hopefully, they'll respond swiftly with the access you need. If by chance you also happen to be the owner of the document, but still find yourself unable to edit, there's a different troubleshooting path to take. First, double-check that you're signed into the correct Google account. You might be accessing the document from a different account, which can frequently be the case when handling multiple email accounts. Try signing out and back into the appropriate account. Another aspect to consider is your browser's cache and cookies, as sometimes they can interfere with your ability to interact with Google Sheets. Clear them and see if that resolves the issue. If all else fails, switching to a different browser might just do the trick. And there you have it. A comprehensive guide to managing view-only permissions on Google Sheets. I hope these steps empower you to tackle any restrictive access issues you might face and give you the tools you need to collaborate efficiently. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!